Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the default emoji skin tone on the Slack application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the U button down below, which is the last option. And after that, click on Preferences down below. Tap on Advanced, which is the third option. And after that, tap on Default Emoji Skin Tone in the middle of the screen. Choose the default skin tone that will be used whenever you use certain emojis in reactions and messages. Here you can select from 6 options, so tap on the relevant one that you prefer and go back to your home screen. And if you want to send a message, you can try this out, whether it has been updated or not. So tap on emojis, and yes, as you can see in the frequently used section there are 2 emojis, and they have been so they are updated basically. That's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.